Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Reliance's Q4 earnings report. This company has been absolutely crushing it lately, and we're going to break down exactly why and what it means for you. We'll cover their insane double-digit growth, which is honestly becoming a pattern with Reliance at this point, but hold on, there's more. We're also diving deep into their digital and retail sectors, two areas where they've been making huge power moves. Whether you're an investor or just interested in the future of business, this video's for you. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the big picture. Reliance absolutely killed it in Q4, exceeding expectations and showing some serious strength across its diverse businesses. We're talking double-digit growth here, which is impressive for any company, let alone one as massive as Reliance. This strong performance is driven by two main factors: their strategic push into digital services and the continued dominance of their retail arm. These two segments are like the twin engines powering Reliance's growth rocket, and they're firing on all cylinders right now. Let's talk about digital services for a second, because this is where things get really interesting. Reliance Jio, their telecom arm, continues to add millions of subscribers every quarter, solidifying its position as a market leader. But it's not just about telecom anymore. Reliance is building an entire digital ecosystem around Jio, with offerings in e-commerce, digital payments, and even online education. This is a long-term game, but the early results are incredibly promising, and it's clear that Reliance is playing for keeps in the digital space. Moving on to retail, where Reliance is already a dominant force in India. Their massive network of physical stores gives them unparalleled reach, and they're leveraging that advantage to build a strong online presence as well. This omni-channel strategy is proving to be incredibly effective. Think about it. They have the brand recognition, the infrastructure, and the resources to win in both the online and offline worlds. That's a powerful combination. While digital and retail are stealing the show, let's not forget about Reliance's roots in the oil-to-chemicals sector. This segment remains a significant contributor to their overall revenue and profits, providing a solid foundation for the company's growth. Although not as flashy as the digital side, the oil-to-chemicals business is like a reliable dividend stock, generating consistent cash flow that Reliance can then reinvest in its other high-growth areas. Let's dive a little deeper into Jio. This telecom giant within Reliance is single-handedly reshaping India's digital landscape. Their aggressive pricing strategies and focus on providing affordable data have disrupted the entire industry. But it's not just about cheap data. Jio is building a whole ecosystem around its network, offering streaming services, music apps, and even cloud storage. They're betting big on the future of digital, and so far, that bet seems to be paying off. Okay, enough about the big picture, let's talk numbers. Reliance reported a net profit of insert actual net profit figure for Q4, representing a percentage increase or decrease compared to the same period last year. That's huge. This growth in profitability is a testament to their ability to execute their strategy and adapt to changing market conditions. It's one thing to have a plan, but it's another thing entirely to actually deliver on it, and Reliance is clearly doing just that. Chapter 7, Revenue Growth, Fueling the Reliance Machine. Now let's talk revenue. Reliance reported a total revenue of insert actual revenue figure for the fourth quarter, which represents a percentage increase or decrease year over year. Again, this is massive. This impressive growth was driven by strong performance across all their business segments, with digital services and retail leading the charge. It's like they're firing on all cylinders and the momentum just keeps building. Chapter 8, Earnings per Share, What It Means for Investors. For all you investors out there, listen up. Reliance reported earnings per share of insert actual EPS figure for Q4, up from previous quarter's EPS figure. This is a key metric that investors look at because it tells you how much profit the company is generating for each outstanding share of stock. The higher the EPS, the better. And Reliance's EPS has been on an upward trajectory, which is a good sign for the company's future prospects. Chapter 9, The Future of Reliance. What's next? So, what's next for Reliance? They've outlined ambitious plans to further expand their digital footprint, investing heavily in areas like 5G, e-commerce, and artificial intelligence. They're also looking to strengthen their position in the renewable energy sector, which is a smart move considering the global push towards sustainability. It's clear that Reliance is not content with just resting on its laurels. They're constantly innovating and looking for new ways to grow. Chapter 10, Key Takeaways. Reliance is a force to be reckoned with. Alright, let's wrap things up with the key takeaways. Reliance had an incredible Q4, delivering strong double-digit growth driven by their booming digital services and retail businesses. They're a company that's firing on all cylinders and their future looks incredibly bright. They're not just adapting to the future, they're actively shaping it, and that's something you want to be a part of. Outro. That's a wrap on Reliance's Q4 earnings highlights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. This company is on fire, and you don't want to miss out on their journey. Whether you're an investor or just someone who's interested in the future of business, Reliance is a company worth watching. See you in the next one.